It's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we have started this playlist on Java. So how to create a Java project we have seen. Let's continue our discussion and let's slowly start learning Java from very beginning. Okay. So I have passed it previously. Now it's time to resume back. So first go to the file here, create a project here, and you can keep anything. So name is like Java tutorials English, because I do make Telugu tutorials as well, and you can choose the version of Java. Here you can choose the version of Java that is being installed. I have installed Java 21, that's why, and I am using Maven as a build system. And which location you want to store this, I would prefer to keep it in documents basically. So keep it, and you could see add a sample code as well. There were some advanced settings that also you can change. This is a package name, so all of them we will discuss slowly. I'll create it here, or else let me do, yeah, that should be sufficient. Okay, no, wait, artifact id. Okay, Java. Let's keep something called learning. Create it. Here it got created, and here is our main file basically. Okay, it itself is generating that sample code if you have chosen it. If not, you can simply, most of the IDs might not have given. That's why what I will do is, this is publish static void main, right? So here, okay, here let me create public static void main. So this is the starting point of execution for any Java based project. Okay, so it will look for where is the public static void main, and compiler will start compiling from here on. Okay, so if you want to print something, you can simply do system.out.println, something like printing first time. Okay, and you can simply run this. I would suggest you guys to use it any sort of IDE. Okay, any sort of IDE is also fine, not a big deal here. Hope this is what you have did in our previous video. From here on we'll try to see what we can learn. Okay,